What's up, Jooba people? Today we're learning to play Yellow the easy way. So, with G chords, cap on the 4th fret. Let me play a sample for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. D. You can download the PDF for this lesson in the link in the description. Get the idea. And then we're going to use an E minor as well, and then a D minor actually at the end. Very nice song and very easy to play, very beginner friendly, and really nice if you don't want to get into the fancy one, the advanced one. I have a tutorial for the advanced one as well, or I'm going to make one after this one. But anyway. Okay, so you need to know these chords. You can download the PDF to check them out, but I'll go through them quickly here. It's a G chord, and this is a G sus4, which you don't need to play, you could just stay at a G, but it's really nice if you go. Or you could use this G sus4, the one on the right there. So you play G like this, and then you go with this finger here. That's G sus4. Play this G and then just put that finger there. So D chord, and then we use this C. It's like an A minor. So you just put this finger here and these two there. D minor, E minor, D minor. Okay, so you guys get the idea. Strumming, the main strumming pattern is like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1. But sometimes you might accent the 2 and, going like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and. So that's something to keep in mind. Okay, so let's play through the song. Okay, let's start with the intro, and we're gonna play this G. 1, 2, 3, 4. Intro. And then you go through the song, so that's cool. And then chorus 1 is going to be tough. You first play the chord and then you sing. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, oh yes, oh, turn there I use this D. So there you see there, you know I love you so. No, I love you so. So there you go to the funky strumming with the 2 and on the accent. Now let's go. The bridge is the same as the intro. The outro is the only difficult part. Got the stars, because I'm for you, and everything you do. Pretty simple. Have a nice day, guys. See you again soon.